stars are blinking in the sky, hiding soft and low. Everything is dark, streetlights barely glow. I wander like a soul thrown down on the road below. My steps grow faster, the night is on my side. My heart keeps running, but stops somewhere inside. Wherever I go, it's the same silence. A road ahead of me, but no sense of guidance. Keep walking, walking, but I can't arrive. Time keeps moving, I'm still on the same street tonight. The rain knows the stars stay quiet above. I'm running from myself, but I'm caught by love. The asphalt turns to mirrors, my face breaks apart. Every light feels like hope, then fades back into dark. The night cracks slowly under my feet. Every step is a question, answers won't speak. My breath is turning to smoke, my steps are tired. A lonely woman in the heart of the night. The city calls me close, then pushes me away, like even fate forgot the road to stay. I keep walking, walking, but I can't arrive. Time keeps moving, I'm still on the same street tonight. The rain knows the stars stay quiet above. I'm running from myself, but I'm caught by love. If there was a star with a name to hold, if this heart could rest in the dark a little more. But the night is long, the questions are heavy. With every step, the past leans on me. I keep walking, walking, but I can't arrive. But my voice is still standing, I'm still alive. Maybe the rain will stop, maybe stars will rise. One day these streets will finally let me go. Under a dim light, my steps slow down, but the story doesn't end.